PixelSugar 4.0 comes with a new set of tools to help integrate your PixelSugar workflow with your Photoshop workflow, or vice versa. To get started, open up PixelSugar, go to the PixelSugar menu, and select Connect to Photoshop. This will open a separate installer. Just follow the steps on the screen, and when it's done, close the installer and restart Photoshop if it's already running. With an image open in Photoshop, simply go to the Filter menu, and under the Totally Rad category, select PixelSugar. This will open up a special editing session in PixelSugar with no file browser, and any changes that you make in this editing session will be sent back to Photoshop and rendered to the same layer that you were working with. You can press the X button to cancel your edit, or press the checkmark button to apply your changes. Once we're back in Photoshop, the edit that you performed in PixelSugar will be rendered to the same layer, in this case the background. Even more convenient is the new PixelSugar Launcher extension. Go to Window, Extensions, PixelSugar Launcher, and you'll get a new panel that you can dock and move around just like any other panel, with options for opening PixelSugar with the click of a button. And if we select this layer, it'll behave pretty much exactly like opening PixelSugar through the Filter menu. Any changes that we make will be rendered back to the layer we were working on. It gets better though. If you select a new layer and then open PixelSugar, the launcher extension will set up the result of whatever edit you perform in a new layer, complete with the layer mask, allowing you to change the opacity or strength of the effect in Photoshop after the fact, or to use a brush tool, mask the effect off of areas that you don't want it to apply. If that wasn't great enough, the third option, Smart Object, will take the result of whatever edits you perform in PixelSugar and set up a new layer as a Smart Object. What this means is that not only do you get a layer mask, mask the result off of wherever you don't want it to apply in the image, but if you double-click the name PixelSugar under Smart Filters in the new layer, then PixelSugar will launch again with your edit already applied, and any changes you make here will be updated in the document. It truly is a non-destructive way to perform edits within Photoshop. So we hope that these simple, powerful new additions help you Photoshop users integrate PixelSugar more tightly into your workflow. Please let us know what you think, and if you love it, help spread the word. Thanks!